Hey fam! Welcome sa Kabayan Connect.
Magandang araw, kabayan! Welcome to Kabayan Connect, the podcast series brought to you by the Philippine Consulate General in Dubai. Ako si Dar, and joining me today is my co-host, Aini.
Hello Kabayan! We're super excited for today's episode of Kabayan Connect titled Viva! It's all about celebrating three of the Philippines' most iconic festivals honoring the Santo Niño, Ati-Atihan, Dinagyang, and Sinulog.
Tama! These festivals are more than just grand street parades and vibrant costumes. They're deeply rooted in our history, faith, and culture. So, samahan niyo kami as we explore what makes the celebrations truly special.
Unahin natin ang Ati-Atihan. Held in Kalibu, Aklan, this is often called the mother of Philippine festivals. Alam mo ba, Dar, na ang origins nito date back to the 13th century?
Oo nga, it started when the settlers from Borneo made peace with Ati people. They painted their faces black as a sign of unity and celebration. Ngayon, naging kombinasyon na ito ng indigenous traditions at Catholic devotion. The highlight? The rhythmic chanting of Halabira, Puera Pasma. It's like a joyful prayer on the streets.
And those drum beats, nakaka-LSS talaga. You can't help but move to the rhythm. It's all about celebrating community, faith, and life.
Next is Dinagyang Festival in Iloilo City. If synchronized street dancing ang hanap mo, this festival is for you. It's a spectacle of energy, creativity, and devotion to the Santo Niño.
Tama ka dyan! It started in 1967 nang dalhin ang replika ng Santo Niño de Cebu sa Iloilo. Over time, it became an internationally recognized event. Ang pinaka-iconic sa Dinagyang, yung theatrical performances and high-energy choreography. Grabe! The coordination is next level!
It's not just a show. It's a powerful expression of faith and unity. Kitang-kita ang galing at pagmamahal ng Iloilo community sa kanilang kultura.
Of course, we can't forget the Sinulog Festival in Cebu City. It's the biggest and most famous Santo Niño celebration in the Philippines. Millions of devotees and tourists come together for this.
I love the Sinulog dance in 2 steps forward and 1 step backward. It symbolizes the water current or sulog of the Pahina River. And the fluvial parade, sobrang ganda, parang sea of devotion.
It's amazing how this festival commemorates the acceptance of Christianity in the Philippines. The Sinulog is not just a celebration, it's a living testament of faith and history.
Alam mo, Aimee, kahit nasa Dubai tayo, we can still celebrate these festivals. Maraming Filipino communities dito ang nag-organize ng mini sinulog processions at events. It's a reminder that kahit saan tayo magpunta, dala natin ang ating kultura at pananampalataya.
Exactly! These festivals aren't just about fun. They're about connecting with our faith, history, and one another. It's about passing on our traditions to the next generation wherever we are.
That's it for today's episode of Kabayan Connect. Sana na-inspire kayo to learn more about Ati-Atihan, Dinagyang, and Sinulog. Kung meron kayong kwento or experiences about these festivals, share them with us on our social media pages.
Don't forget, Kabayan,
Viva!
It's not just about celebration, it's about keeping the Filipino spirit alive. Mabuhay ang ating kultura at mabuhay kayo!
Until next time, Kabayan, let's keep celebrating, connecting, and honoring our heritage. See you in the next episode of Kabayan Connect!